How to read an electrode number. A little bit of explanation about its difference. E6018 E7018 mg. E6013 usually has a thinner, darker brown or reddish-brown flux coating. It's known as a sheet metal rod because it starts very easily. E7018 generally has a thicker grayish-white coating. This is a low-hydrogen rod, and that extra thickness is part of what provides the shielding gas for high-strength welds. E4 covered material to electrode, 60 and 70 tensile strength in Psi red as 60,000 psi and 70,000 psi. One is welding position 3 and 8 is flux covering.